Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on keyboard light or backlight on HP laptop. Now first thing you should do is to simply go and look at your keyboard, and you will see this icon or this logo right here. It looks like a keyboard lighting up. So what you should do is simply click on this button, and as you can see it will light up. And if it didn't work, you can simply click on the FN button right here plus the F5. If you cannot find this logo on the F5 button, you can search for it on other Fs or other function buttons right here, or you can simply go down right here and see if it is shown on the up and down button or not. And if you do not have actually the icons right here, you can simply click on the FN button, then try each button separately. You can press FN button plus F1, F2, F3, and so on, or you can simply click on the button without using the FN button. Click on F1, F2, F3 till you find the button of the backlight. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.